Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have Makeup Declutter number 11. I know, right? 11. I think we've been doing this for about a year. And I am definitely, I say this every time, moving towards the end of decluttering. Because I think I've decluttered just about everything that I can. So let's just jump right in. I have these hard candy. These are their intense color ones. I had 4 of these. And I went through them, swatched them, and decided I only wanted to keep 2 of them, so I'm going to pass these 2 along. So, those are getting X'd. Starry Rose Hip Lip Balm. This was nice. The scent is so overpowering. I got this on Shop Miss A. Ipsy, this is from... this is a hydrating illuminator. Makes your face kind of glowy. A bunch of LA Colors eyeshadow pencils or sticks. Love them, like them a lot actually. I just have brought in new eyeshadow pencils and stuff, so that's why I'm decluttering those. And I have a bunch of Maybelline color tattoos that I need to start using, so I'm just going to let those go. And the Flower Beauty one that I literally bought at the Dollar Tree, swatched, and just was like, yeah, I don't think so. I don't know. I just wasn't feeling that. L'Oreal Hip Gel Liner in the infamous teal. I have some brush stuff, some A+. This is from AOA Studio, so Shop Miss A brush cleaner, disinfectant stuff. I did a full review on this, and it's not like one of my favorite products. I literally just never reach for it. I deep clean my brushes, preferably. So, I'm gonna see if my mom wants to use that or try it out. And this is also from Shop Miss A, and it's a sponge holder. But I recently redone some of my makeup collection stuff, and I don't really need this anymore. So maybe she wants that. There's a lipstick holder from the Dollar Tree. I have a glass mason jar. It used to have 3 pairs of lips on it. I washed this. You know, I took all my makeup brushes out, off my makeup table, all that stuff. Washed the containers I was holding brushes in and stuff. And it washed the lips away. All except for that one. So anyways, this has got various face brushes in here that I'm going to give her. And a powder puff. I have some more Wet n Wild lipsticks. I think I only have 1 of these left in my collection now, and it's the orange one, just mainly because I don't have any other oranges in my collection. So all of the Wet n Wild are pretty much gone. An e.l.f. Long Lasting Luxurious Eyeshadow. This is such a unique formula, very beautiful as well, but I never reach for these. This is why I'm decluttering a lot of this. I just never reach for it, or I have stuff that I can dupe it. The NYX Single Eyeshadow in Highlight. I used to use this a ton. Surprisingly, I never hit pan on it. I mean, I use this so much. NYX eyeshadows are pretty nice. The LA Colors Matte Eyeshadow. Very beautiful, comparable to Wet n Wild's Cream Brulee, in my opinion. But I never reach for it. So I have the Hard Candy Earthy Vixen palette, which I thought I would never declutter, but once again, never reach for it, never use it. I have several other palettes that are like this, and on top of that, most of these are shimmers. I'm not a huge fan of that in one palette, and I was swatching some of the other shades that I have in other Hard Candy palettes, and I like some of those shades, how they swatch their formula better than this, so I decided that this can go. e.l.f. Eyeshadow Transformer. Love these. They're duochromes. I've used this for many years. It's still good. I recently was even using it, but I did get a couple new duochrome, multi-chrome palettes, so I'm gonna pass that along. And from LA Colors, I have their Shadow by Numbers. So I have Extra Credit, Foxy Formulas, and Rocket Science. I love Rocket Science. Very beautiful taupey smoky palette. Beautiful pink and purples. Beautiful pops of color, springy kind of palette. Very beautiful overall. These were great. It's just that, once again, I never reached for them, and I decluttered my LA Colors and stuff so much. Now I have them in a really small drawer, which I'm really happy about. I'm so happy about that, you guys. And I'm going to be sharing that with you guys soon. So if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe if you're curious about what my makeup collection looks like. And you would think the amount of decluttering we've been doing, it wouldn't be that big anymore. But it's still pretty big because, you know, I've just been letting go of older items, moving in newer items, and really coming into knowing what I want, what I like. Obviously, I've known that stuff for a while, but what I mean is I have broke free of the makeup hoarding, in the sense that I want every piece of a collection. I want to keep all of my makeup and just continue to store. No, I do not want my makeup to exceed my space anymore. So that's where a lot of this is coming from. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the Makeup Declutters series. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for a nail polish and nail art declutter that is coming soon. And thank you so very much for watching again. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links as well as the cards.